Hey, Bear Scammon here at the Eugene Science Center, and today I'm going to show you guys how to magically inflate a balloon without blowing it up. So what I've got today here are two very special ingredients. We have our baking soda, and we've got some vinegar, and we've also got a bottle, and we've got a balloon. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have mom or dad help you by adding some vinegar to the inside of the bottle. And it's not that important on how much you add, so long as it doesn't take up the entire bottle. I'm going to be adding just about 1/3 of the bottle's worth. You can see my other demonstration right here. So I'm going to be using my funnel and going in at the top and just pouring a little bit of vinegar in here. Once again, we don't need to fill up the whole bottle. This is where the magic comes from. So we need to leave some space in there. So I'm going to take that funnel off. And then I've got a balloon. And we're going to want to stretch it out. We're going to need to make some space in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my breath to inflate it just a little bit to stretch the balloon out. And you may need to get mom or dad to help you with this. So I'm going to take a deep breath in. Now I'm not going to tie it off, I'm just going to let that balloon deflate again. And it's going to be nice and open and ready to take some of that baking soda. So I'm going to take a different funnel, a funnel that I wasn't using any baking soda or any vinegar in. And I'm going to put that onto my balloon here. And I'm going to take a scoop, doesn't really matter how much baking soda, but you want to make sure that it's not overflowing on the inside. I'm going to pour it in, and I'm going to shake until all of that baking soda is now inside of my balloon. Now here is the tricky part. You're going to want to make sure that you can put the balloon over the cap of your bottle without pouring in any of your baking soda yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both ends of my balloon and stretch them wide, and letting it hang over on the side. And then I'm going to stretch it over the top of my bottle until it's nice and tight and secure. Then, in order to start, all you need to do is pull the top of the balloon up, let the baking soda fall down, and we have our magical self-inflating balloon. Oh my goodness, it's working so fast that I can't even do it. Ah! Now what's happening here is the baking soda and the vinegar are reacting to make lots of carbon dioxide gas, which are inflating our balloons here. Have fun trying it at home.